Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, we are going to explore inbuilt reporters of Playwright and also the advantages of traces. In addition to this, we are also going to install Allure Reports, one of the famous reporters nowadays. Almost all the MNCs are using it. So let's begin. So we will first discuss about the inbuilt reporter of Playwright. So go to playwright.config.js and you can see reporter is set to HTML. That means after execution of your each and every test case, it will provide you the HTML reporter. So let me show you a demo. So I am going to execute this test case. So this is very simple test case. I am just opening the Zomato website and there I am validating the page title. So let me execute it. So it will open Chrome, Zomato website, and after completion, it will provide us the HTML reporter. So your test case got failed. So whenever your test case is getting failed, automatically HTML reporter will open in a browser and you can see each and every line clearly, and you can also get to know where it is failing, in which line it is getting failed, and you can also see why it is failing. The reason is also showing here. So this is the correct string and we wrote this. That's the reason it is failing. And it also provides you the screenshots and traces, because in our playwright.config.js we gave trace equal to on and screenshot as on. That's the reason it is showing. So advantages of traces is when you click on it, you can time travel through your test case, and you can also see before performing an action and after performing an action. So that is our advantages of traces. We can do time travel in it, and this is pretty much about our HTML reporter. So let me execute it once again. This time I am writing the correct text here, and let me re-execute it once again. So it is asking me press Ctrl C to quit. Ctrl C. Why? CLS is used to clean up the terminal and rerunning my test case. So before rerunning the test case, save it and then just hit the command. So it will open Zomato and this time it will pass. See, it is showing one pass. You can open the HTML report in two ways. One is with this command which they provide us. So just paste it and hit enter. This is one way to open the HTML report, or else you can see here playwright report here index.html. So just right click and copy path and paste it in any of the browser, and here we go, you can see it. So these are the ways for opening the HTML reporter. So if we discuss more about the reporters of Playwright, there are like four different reporters. One is list reporter, which the output will be showing in the list manner, and one is line reporter, output will be like this, and one is dot reporter. This is how it will show our test case reports, and the HTML reporter which we already discussed. So there are many more reporters. So let's discuss about the third party reporter showcase, which is Allure Reports. This is one of the famous report which almost all the organizations are using because these are very interactive. So for generating the Allure report, we need to install it first. So we can generate the Allure report with these 5 simple steps of commands. We need to hit it in our terminal. Let me show you one by one. So for installing Allure in your systems, you need to hit the command npm I-D @playwright /test and Allure-playwright. Hit enter. So you can see it is installing and it successfully installed 7 packages. You can see it successfully added 7 packages. And next step is we also need to install the command line, which I also mentioned in my document. You need to install the Allure command line first. So how can we do that? Just hit the command npm install -g allure command line and save -dev. Just hit enter. It will install the Allure command line. As you can see, it is already installed in 4 seconds. So it's time to generate Allure reports now. In your playwright.config.js, you can write down multiple reporters in the array format. So let me create an array here. I am putting this HTML reporter in array, and in next one I am going to give Allure report here. So you can give Allure-playwright in curly braces, write output folder is my Allure results. That's it. So why we are writing this step? We are executing our test case every time, and before executing our test case we need to write such a long command here. As you can see, this one is the command which we need to write down if you want to generate the report in Allure format. So to escape this step, we need to just add one simple line in the reporter, which is Allure playwright and output folder as my Allure results, and just save it. And now I am going to execute my test case. Just write the command npx playwright test and hit enter. So this time it will generate you the Allure reports. As you can see the folders, and you can see the change, right? It is showing Allure results. The reason why it is showing Allure results, because we have mentioned this step in the reporter. So don't need to write this step, so you can escape this step. So we need to perform last 2 steps here, which is to generate results and cleaning them up, and then to open. Let's do that. So write the command npx allure generate, which is in the folder allure results. So I am using --clean, which will give you the fresh results. And after hitting this command, you will be seeing this message: report successfully generated to Allure report. Open the Allure reports, you need to hit the command npx allure open, which is in the folder allure report. Hit enter. There you go. You can see the Allure report, right? It has so many subtabs, and this is the chart which is showing 100% pass. And when you click on this test case, so it will show each and everything, screenshot, traces, and step-by-step execution. So this is very interactive, right? If you compare this report with HTML or list or any reporter which Playwright provides, this is something which is more interactive. So that's the reason people are installing it in their system and using it. So this is pretty much about Allure Reporter. Thank you.